Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to type at that on Windows 11. So to type at that on your Windows 11, just click on start, then type keyboard. So you will see on screen keyboard, open it. Now press shift and you will see icon for at that. So it's quick and easy way to type at that on your Windows 11, and you can type on any website, MS Word or any platform by just open on screen keyboard and press shift and this one. Like shift and type at that. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to type at that on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video.